Okay, I went to a car show and this was the cutest car on the lot. I don't even know what it is, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. The black is beautiful. Well, if we're going to talk about cars at a car show, you know what happens? These cars are always clean. Is your car clean like this? Would you take this out for a spin or on a date or a ride to maybe just for going fast? This car has a style that I consider one of a kind. Here's another black truck. Okay, that's the beach, but back to the black truck. I love a Toyota. Black is not my favorite color on a car, but this right here, absolutely gorgeous. And I love a big tire. This is why I love the 4Runner, the Toyota. The Toyota is absolutely my favorite car. I am an owner of a RAV4. I've had 4 RAV4s. Now I'm driving a TRD Pro Toyota 4Runner. It is absolutely gorgeous. So when I see one on the road like this, I have to stop and stare. Black is not my favorite color for a car, but this truck looks good. And there is the 4Runner that I love to drive. It is the TRD Pro underground color. It's my favorite car to drive. Great for the road. I don't know about good on gas, but it takes you where you need to go. But I just wanted to stop and stare. Black is not my favorite color on the car, but this one, it looks good on a Toyota. This looks like a truck, I believe. Tacoma, I believe. And this is a Toyota 4Runner. And this right here is a classic car. Now, I went to the car show, and this is my friend's car. I mean, I think he has about 16, 22 cars. I can't even count, so I can't even keep up, because while I was at this car show, he was telling me he already sold 2 cars. So I'm like, oh yeah, you definitely are a car person. And look, the cars are always clean. Could you imagine having 16 cars and have to make sure that they have gas and clean and oil? That is a lot of responsibility. But anyway, let's talk about this car show. I saw this. It's cute. It's a Mustang. It's black, but pink. This is what I'm talking about. A Bronco, pink, looking cute. Woo, take that to the beach. But back to this black car. This car looks good. The black details, look how shiny it looks, inside and out. This car should inspire you to go clean your car. This car show was really fun, but this car stood out to me because I was trying to figure out what kind of car is this, and I totally forgot, but I do have the pictures and the videos to remind me. Okay, and then I saw this car. I was like, okay, it kind of looks like the same era, but maybe different. There were so many cars there. This truck was really great. Overlanding, I love it. And especially this color truck, you can't miss me. This is like a big old Ram, and it has the same engine as the Dodge Challenger Scat Pack that I drive. Woo, I love a fast car. Ram is a really good car. I have to say that, or should I say truck? Anyway, back to the truck, or should I say Ram Charger. Look at this, great color. It's a oldie but goodie, but look how good it looks. This is what I'm talking about. When you go to a car show, you look at every single detail. And the car is always clean, scratch-free, poop-free. But anyway, back to the car show. Now look at these cars. These cars are old. I mean, you talking about a great-great-grandfather car. This car is absolutely old, but it looks gorgeous. I absolutely love this Ram. I mean, it looks gorgeous, simple, clean. Beautiful paint job. If you watch the video to the end, I will let you see my favorite car that I like to personally drive. But in the meantime, I like this car, and the engine was absolutely clean. Do you ever clean your engine? I mean, if you're not used to cleaning your car inside and out, I wonder, do you ever clean your engine? Okay, back to this car. Purple, great color. Great car, one of a kind. I'm sure you can remember that car on the road. I would love to see how the engine sounds. But in the meantime, this car show was in my neighborhood really quick. It's a cancer benefit, so it brings out everybody in their cars. There's my friend right there who owns all those cars. I don't know, 16, 22 cars. I can't keep up. He's always at a car show. But anyway, these is his friends, and I guess birds of a feather will flock together because it looks like everybody has the same car. You get one, I get one. Okay, this is my car channel. I like car shows. I clean cars. I just love cars. And if I don't sound like a professional, then that's okay. I just go to the car shows because they're free. I can get my walk on, and I like to look at all the cars. And most of the time, I ask the owners how you keep it so clean, what products are you using, how often do you clean it, do you keep it in the garage, do you keep it with a cover, how long have you had it, are you gonna sell it, just all these questions. But this car was absolutely one of my favorites on the lot. Everything was pretty good. I didn't see a Bugatti, my favorite car. I didn't see a Ferrari. But I saw these cars and I thought I would share. Now, this right here is my absolutely favorite car to personally drive. Absolutely a gorgeous car. And look, it looks almost black depending on the light. But right here, this is a dark gray underground color. And my RAV4 is the same color, and also the Dodge Challenger. Same color. I really like this color because it keeps the car kind of dirt free as far as the color, and it's easy to clean, and it just stands out, and it has its own kind of style. So this is my favorite car. It is a 4Runner Toyota TRD Pro. Once again, I'm washing it, and I have to put it right back where it belongs, in the garage. But my job is to make sure it keeps clean, dust free, poop free, and this is me cleaning it. I will have a video coming up to show you how I only spend $4 to keep this car clean. $4? Or sometimes $3, but $4, and that includes keeping the car clean on the outside and a vacuum. Well, thank you for watching the car show video, and thank you for watching my favorite car. Hopefully I'll see you soon. If not at a car wash, then maybe at a car show. I love this car right here. It's so beautiful. Look, it even looks like a light gray, right? At first it looked like a dark gray. Now it looks light gray. It is so easy to clean, and when it gets dirty, you never know. You know why? Because I'm cleaning this car right here twice a week. Bye.